Hello, how are you? I hope so you will be fine. Today I am again here having a new video session regarding paraphrasing and explanation. This is Sarinfar Nawaz, English teacher from FCA. So today I am going to have a video session for you, and I have decided to teach you about the concept of paraphrasing and explanation. Student, it's a very easy to understand how to do it. Don't be confused, don't be disappointed. Just see how and where I want to take you. I have selected a piece of stanza taken from the poem Equipment of class 10th. This is the first stanza comprised of 6 lines. Look at the stanza. First of all, whenever you want to do paraphrasing, read out the lines in your own simple way and style, and then figure it out what you have got it. So I am going to read it out for you. Figure it out for yourself, my lad. You all that the great men have had. 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs and 2 eyes, and bring to use if you would be wise. With this equipment they all began, so start for the top and say, I can. This is the stanza of the poem Equipment. This is the first stanza. In this poem you see what is the figurative languages have been used in this poem. Actually, this stuff is not required when you are paraphrasing, because figurative languages are not discussed in paraphrasing. What is a paraphrasing first of all? Paraphrasing is a kind of a process in which you write the restatements, the sentences again, choosing the different words, different ideas, but you should change the word but should not change the meaning. How? Look at, figure it out, understand, resolve, sort it out. Means you can use the word yourself, my lad. My lad means my boy. It is a kind of a, you can say, a general advice, okay, from the elder to the younger one. But you don't have to write an elder's name, who is the elder, who is the younger. No, you just paraphrase, write in simple English using the same description in your own words. Figure it out for yourself, my lad, my son. Try to resolve your problem yourself. It means you have all that the greatest men have had. Again he says, you are equipped with, you are blessed with, okay, you are equipped with all the qualities which great men have had. The great men were blessed with the same quality which you have been given. It means, and third, 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes. So in this you can use that you have the same 2 hands, 2 legs and 2 eyes to use. So you should properly use these faculties of the God in proper way, and the brain to use if you would be wise, and you will be considered you can say quitty, and you will be a person of wisdom, that you are using your brain properly and in a proper way. With this equipment, with the same weapon, all the great people started their journey, and they started from the top, and they said that they could, that they can. So what is a can? Can is a word, a kind of a word which shows ability. So student, in this stanza you have seen that these are the 6 lines which have been given. I did not change the meaning, but I changed the words. And I didn't start any stanza. I am not going to start a stanza for paraphrasing, that I should say that in this stanza the poet says. Never ever say like this, because the marks can be deducted. It should be simple start. Sorry. If you start like paraphrasing, you said, my son, try to resolve your problem yourself. You have been equipped the same quality the great men have been blessed, and you should use your arm, 2 hands, 2 legs and 2 eyes, and you should brain use according to it is concerned, and you will be considered wise. And with the same weapon, the great people started their journey, and they started from the top, and at the last they said that they could. What I said? So my lad, basically actually here, the difference between explanation and paraphrasing can be meaningful when we are having a kind of a stanza in which a first person has already been used. But here, first person is not been mentioned here. Only 2 words show that. It shows that you should be very specific in this stanza. How? My lad and I can. When you are using my lad, so my lad, the person say that my son, you would be using my son. Or then I can, then you will be using I can. The great people said they started their journey and they said that they could not, that I can. Why? According to the grammar it's wrong. But why I am using I can? Because I am going to be very specific while using the paraphrasing, because all paraphrasing is always